Welcome to this CLE course on avoiding the worst headline you never want to read. This is a CLE focused on strategic crisis communications planning for attorneys. It's been prepared in alignment with the ABA's model rules. Throughout our time together today, you will see references to relevant sections of the ABA model rules. My name is Paul Furiga, and I am the CEO and Chief Storyteller at WordWrite, a firm that works closely with attorneys in crisis communication situations. We've been in business for more than 20 years, and we've handled hundreds of crises, most of the time working closely with legal counsel, which is why I wanted to do this CLE. Now, what are we going to cover today? Certainly, as an attorney, whether you're in-house or at a firm, you know that you're usually the first call from your client. Attorneys are one of the most trusted advisors in the world of business. And when something goes wrong, you're usually the first person that a CEO or an involved C-suite leader will reach out to. Today, we're going to cover these areas of focus. Number one, core crisis principles that every attorney should know from the communications perspective. Communications and what are the ethical and strategic considerations that integrate with legal practice? And a big focus for us in the CLE, how do you coordinate legal and PR strategy? And how can you, as legal counsel for your internal or external client, lead through the crisis? Along the way, we'll be sharing some real-world tools and examples that we've seen over our time in doing this work. Let's start with this. Let's define what crisis PR is. At our firm, WordWrite, we like to say that it's the brain surgery of PR. Now, look, we're not patting ourselves on the back here. What we're talking about is that this is the most critical type of public relations that any organization might be involved in. And by extension, of course, their legal counsel. And that's because it is so sensitive. The very existence of the organization could be on.